Today, we'll show you how to change.
First, we'll take the wheel off. 2 small bolts behind the caliper. Take the caliper off. Remove the pads. 2 bigger bolts that's holding on the caliper bracket. Take the bracket out and hammer the rotor. Brush and clean the caliper bracket. Grease it up. Put the new clips on and the rotor. And then we can reassemble the car. Tighten the 2 bigger bolts on the caliper bracket. Put the new pads on. Grab a compression tool, spin the piston back in. Gently wiggle the caliper back on the car. Put the 2 smaller bolts back on the caliper. Tighten everything and ensure nice and sturdy. Put the wheels back on, grab a torque wrench, and torque it back up. And that's how we